lovable, and worth loving. Ayan, no? So this is what Jesus is trying to say. Giving and selfless. No? Because God, in the person of Jesus, through the Son, kanya talagang pinakita ang Panginoon selfless at mapagbigay.
When you've lost your way,
Oliver, wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
and put them back together.
Sinabi niya sa akin, hindi siya iiyak.
I'll be there for you.
Compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, patience, forbearance, forgiveness, and love. These are actually fruits of the Holy Spirit.
I'll be there for you.
Gabi, di pa masyado, ngayon lang eh. First time, syempre, mayayari tayo pag hindi.
When your heart finds
Hindi
a
kami
home.
naging close kasi crush niya ako. Charot, naging crush niya ako agad.
When you find what you've been searching for,
Yes,
I'll be by your
yes for her.
side.
Syempre, excited na ako makita siya and then, yun. Syempre, masaya ako pag nakita ko siya.
I'll be there for you. Every fall and every rise, every
Guys, welcome to my wedding! Yay! Bawal ang hubugin niyo yun.
there for you.
Natapos na din yung paghahatid mo sa akin kasi ngayon, ikaw na yung tahanan ko.
When the time finally comes, I hope you're proud of everything we've done. You can help but put one foot in front of the other.
God showed you the light. God, our Jesus, showed you the truth. That it is possible and worth loving each other.
I'll be there for you. Every fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. Ooh, I'll be there for you. Yeah, I'll be there for you.
Will you love and honor each other as husband and wife for the rest of your lives?
We will.
Are both of you ready to raise up as good Christians the children that God may give you?
We are.
When I close my eyes, you're standing next to me.
I promise to stay by your side in happy, sad, and hard times until my last breath. At last, the long wait is over. No more good night messages, but good night kisses.
Rivers run wild with a stream of miracles. But
Yung
once
sabaws, gawin natin sabaws. para di mo makalimutan sa baws. Unahin natin ang nilaga. Nilaga, bakit nilaga? Kasi handa akong alagaan ka. From nilaga, alaga. Aalagaan kita hanggang sa tumanda tayo. At magiging anak natin, aalagaan natin.
I can pass the time, spend each day of mine with you on my mind. I can draw the lines between you and I, hold you by my side for the rest of my life.
Present to you Shannon and Oliver, our newly married couple. Oliver, you may now kiss your bride.
Ay, sunod, ang favorite ko is sinigang. Walang kailangan sa word na sinigang, maasim. Kasi gusto ko hindi mawawala ang kilig sa atin hanggang sa pagtanda natin. And I will always love you and thank you for everything.
Whenever I'm with you in a field of daffodils in